If I am not the definition of perseverance, I don't know what is, okay? Open up the dictionary. Perseverance should be a picture of my face. I'm not that popular, but I wish I was. Anyway, I really wanted to make the outside work for me. Is it doing it? No, it's not. It's freaking hot as hell out here. It's like 107, literally.
Literally 107, I'm not joking.
So I thought there was a nice cool breeze, you know, maybe I can come out here. I tried yesterday, didn't work out. It didn't work out so well. I used yesterday night, okay? I came out in the nighttime and I thought it was gonna be better.
No, it wasn't better. It was still like 100 degrees.
So I brought all my equipment out, had all my lights on me. They got full of bugs. So yeah, if it's not the sun attacking you, it's the bugs attacking you. When can I win? When can I win? In my own home, in my own area.
This is my hood.
And I still can't win.
Why?
I'm over it. I guess we'll go inside. So welcome back to Design Beauty by Kat, you guys. And we already know the debacle with trying to film outside. So I'm not gonna talk about it anymore. It kind of hurts my soul. So we're moving on. I went ahead and did all my face already. Only thing I have left are the eyes because that's what I was gonna show you guys today. And I also did the lip. And this is that sparkly lip from Stay Golden. I did put this in the review I did in the last video. If that video didn't pop up, I'm sorry. Don't judge me, okay? So maybe the other video didn't come through first. I don't know. I don't know. Don't hold it against me. That one has a Pat Mcgrath eyeshadow in there, and that one has this brand new Stay Golden. And this is from a subscriber. I believe her name is Wendy Sowles. So shout out to you, girl. I do enjoy this product, so thank you for recommending it. And it's a little lip kit. Not sure if that video is up yet. I already said that, so I'm just saying it again, okay? Okay. I got mine in the color Baby. So it's baby, but it's spelled different, like B-A-E-B-Y. It's a nice soft pink, and I can wear this every day if I need to. You know, it does stink. It doesn't smell good. It doesn't. They have several colors to choose from. Purples, blues, black, pink, red. Really nice colors. If you guys want to be a little adventurous, you know, go get you some glitter on your lips, okay? So the look today I want to put together is a little birthday day look. So today is going to be my birthday when you see this video. Whoop whoop for me. Yay, your girl's 41. That's right, 41, and don't ever remind me, ever. Moving past that. Use this Pat Mcgrath that I got in. This guy was $14, you guys. So I don't know if it's still on sale, but if it is, snatch it up because it's actually really good. So the only issue with this is there are no matte shadows in here. So it is a little difficult to do, you know, a regular look all the time with this right here. You kind of need to go into your other palettes and get a matte shadow. But these are very nice, very pigmented, and they are creamy and they do blend very well. So those are all pluses, okay? We're gonna put something together for you guys and see how it comes out.
And if you don't like it, I'm sorry. Just stop watching the video.
Now I already have my eyes both prepped and primed and ready to go. I'm just gonna tap it out here because I have been talking for a while and it starts to crease and settle into the lines. So these Pat Mcgrath shadows are really nice, you guys. Didn't think they were gonna be very good because they were so cheap, and the packaging is really cheaply made. But I think she had to make it this cheap in order to sell it for that low price. Because if you actually do see Pat Mcgrath's real packaging, yeah, it's like crazy looking packaging. So I guess you had to do this for, you know, cost reasons. I don't care. I care about the product that's inside. I don't really care about the outside anyway, but she does have her little logo on there. I was a little skeptical. I was a little skeptical. That's what happens in old age. You get a little skeptical about everything. I'm gonna go in with this purple shade right here. We're gonna give him a shot today and see how he works. Now what I'm gonna do is bring it a little bit up right here. So we're just gonna kind of take it up towards the eyebrow. Okay, so now that we have that color on, we're gonna go into another color. It's this red right here. I'm gonna switch to a smaller brush right here. This is not any name brush, it's just something I got on Amazon. Just a short, kind of denser crease brush right here. Right over the top of that purple. So now I'm gonna get a clean brush now that I placed down the color, and I'm going to buff it out slightly. Now, if you notice in any areas that it buffed out a little more than you want it to, it's because it's a shimmer. They do blend really well, but they kind of blend away if you're not careful. So like right here, I just want a little bit more red. Just get a little tap of the red and just kind of tap it right there to intensify that color slightly, just slightly, ever so slightly, okay? All right. Just to deposit that color a little bit more. See that? See how it's going back on?
You see it? You got it? You know it? All right? Yeah.
Now when you're adding the red, don't go too high up, because once you go too high up, you done messed up what you just did, okay? So you have to come bring it back down. We don't need to go with all that mess. You just start kind of from the bottom and then just kind of tap it around. So we're gonna use this gold right here and pop that towards the front part, okay? And we wanna just bring it right in this inner place, right here. This is its home right here, right on top of the red, but towards the inner corner. Say it with me. Inner corner. Okay. So what I did was I got that gold and I went ahead and came in the corner with it, and I just brushed it over top of half of the red, just to give a little bit of a golden hue on there. And it just kind of like blends in together, like a little flag on my face. That's what I want today. I want a flag on my face, okay? I don't know what you're saying over there, but I can hear you. Don't be talking mess. It's my birthday, okay? All right. Now I'm gonna go in with a graphic liner. We're not done. You might have thought we were done, but we're not. So I tricked you. April Fools in July. I'm going to get a line. I'm gonna draw it from the inner corner, and I'm gonna bring it all the way out. Fingers crossed that it comes out okay. I have like a little baby migraine going on just thinking about it. I want to do something fun, something, you know, to represent how I'm feeling today. And, you know, it's all about brightness and being cheery and enjoying turning another year older. Yes, that's what we're doing. Enjoying it, basking in it. I came in some different lighting, see if it looks a little bit different for you guys. Maybe you can get a better take on it. I was going to initially connect these two white, you know, into like a little peak up here. But I thought, no, you know what? Let's let them look like wings. Yeah, because we're gonna fly away today. We're gonna fly away and pretend that we're in Paris or France. That's the same thing. Paris, France. I need to learn my countries again. I need to go back to school. Anyway, So I did use some of that Jaclyn Hill highlighter. I went ahead and tossed that in here and up in here. I use a little bit of Hourglass. It's like a shimmer blush. I went ahead and popped that on there as well. So it's a little bit of everything just kind of all thrown together. Just in the mix of things, you know, you guys, you gotta just mix it up and do what you feel on a whim, okay? That's what we did. And I hope you guys liked it. I am talking in my restroom. If you hear every echo, I'm sorry. Maybe I shouldn't talk in front of my window and my restroom. Hope you guys are taking care of yourselves out there. And like I always say, I will say it again today and I'll say it every day. Be cheerful, okay? Go out there and do something great for somebody and you don't have to touch them, okay? Just do something nice, like say hello, how was your day? That's all you gotta do sometimes, just to lift someone's day up, okay? Guys, 14 hours, some screwed up lash glue and one stubborn kitty later. Yeah, finally, I'm done. This guy behind me refuses to leave. I take her out, she comes right back in. She's like in stealth mode. It's like a ninja, okay? I've got nothing on her, seriously. Anyway, so I went ahead and popped some lashes on. I wasn't going to, and I'm gonna tell you why. I was all excited about my look. I thought it came out pretty nice, you know. I was like, hey, it's a great birthday look. You guys are gonna love it. And then I go to stick these stinking lashes on, and the lash glue wants to dot on both sides the top of the lid, and it's really frustrating because this is a new set of lashes. They were nice and flexible, looked like they were gonna just pop on real easy, but no, both corners wanted to lift up and they both touched the top of my eyelid. So now I have a little black dot up here and a little black line right there. It's driving me nuts, okay? I'm going crazy, and it's not right because it's my birthday. And I'm gonna say that all day today. I'm going to say it all day. It's my birthday. Nobody wants stress on their birthday, especially from some stinking lashes. Now, I was gonna connect this little wing, the white tips together, but I thought no, they're on their own little wings, ready to take off. Give them their space. We all need some space sometimes. Just saying. For some reason, this lash is more thicker than this lash. I have no idea why. I don't know. They're a new set and they're from House of Lashes, and everyone says wonderful things about House of Lashes. Everyone says wonderful things about House of Lashes. So I finally get me a set and they're not identical. It's like I wanted the both twins to look the same. Did the hair, did the face, hooked it up for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I have no idea why. It's my birthday, you guys. Please subscribe. Give me that free gift from the heart, okay? So just hit the button. It's a free gift. Just push the button. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Just push it and stay that way, okay? Join my family and all the chaos that comes with it, okay? All right. Happy Friday, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. I love you guys, and I got another one ready for you guys coming up on Sunday, okay? Stay tuned. Share this video, like the video, and we'll be talking to you soon, all right? See y'all later. Thanks for joining me. Bye. Art is hard work. It really dehydrates me. Any excuse I can just to get something to drink. So I'm gonna go in with this white color pop liner right here. I'm gonna just make a graphic line and we're gonna see how it's gonna come out. We're gonna see. I can't talk to you while I'm doing it because I'm not a magician, all right? This is not a wand. It is an actual pen, marker, eyeliner. One of those three, that's what it is. And I'm just gonna stick with this same brush right here. Just going to kind of buff off whatever red I have on there because I'm lazy. And I don't want to get up and I don't want to go look for another brush. So we're going to do it like this. This is Kat's way today. Okay. But you see that? We got color back in there. We've got color, people. We've got color, people. We've got color, yes. I get too much into it. I don't know. And I'm going to stop talking for just a second because my husband's walking around. I got to ask him a question. Are you going to get the chicken? Yeah. This is why it does take time to do eye looks. It's not like just, you know, wham bam, thank you ma'am, I'm done with you, I'm gone, I'm finished, finito. No, you gotta kind of like, you know, smooth it over, and you gotta, you know, sweet talk it and take it on some dates. It takes some time. It takes time, okay? Gotta put work. So anyone likes doing it. If you don't enjoy these kind of creative looks, then don't watch those. Don't watch those videos of mine. Watch my other videos where I don't do any looks at all. Watch those videos. Okay, that's all I can say. I went ahead and did the base of my face. Did the base of my face. Sounds like Ace of Base. Do you remember Ace of Base? Probably not. So let's just keep on going. So when you see this video, it'll be my birthday day, so yay for me. The look that I want to do today is a little creative look. I didn't want to do something too simple. I wanted to do something a little drastic, but not too drastic. Just a little on both sides, you know, touch a little wild side, but then kind of stay kind of neutral. None of that makes any sense. Let's just rewind it and redo it. Okay. And why the hell are bugs attacking my window? What the hell? No wonder why she likes sitting there. Doggone crickets or whatever just banging off the window. This is not some ping pong tournament. Can't I just have one day? Can I have one day? I guess not. I guess not. Do a little dance. I don't want to say the rest of the song. You know, it's that time of the night, you know, start dancing for no reason. We've already had stress today. We've had a lot of heat today. We've got animals today. We've got bugs today. It's been a day, you guys. It's been a day. Happy birthday. Yeah. Happy birthday. I blew out the candles. They're fake. I just did it for myself. How pitiful am I? I guess I'll pretend to eat cake too.